Hello everyone. So today we are going to see this Ptolemy theorem and we are going to look the proof of this theorem. So here actually what is given that for a cyclic quadrilateral the product of the diagonals equal to the sum of the products of the opposite side. So here ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral and the product of the opposite side, that means AB and CD, that is equals to the product of the sum of the product of AB into CD. Okay, so that means this one opposite sides AB and CD as well as this AD and BC. Okay, so how we are going to prove this? So for that what we have to do, we have to make some constructions here. So what we can do here for construction, if we extend this one, right, we have to extend this CD length and we have to see that whatever the angle is, this one angle CAB, right? So let's suppose that this angle is 1. So for that, if we take this angle 1 and we have to make the same angle with respect to this AD, right? So like this, so somewhere it will intersect. So this is angle 2. So we have to construct here that this angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. Okay, so like this we have to do, and the point of intersection, let's suppose this is P. Alright, so now what we can do, we can take this another angle. Let's suppose this is angle 4, sorry, this one is angle 3 and this one is angle 4, like that. Okay, and this one is angle 5. Alright, so now we are going to take the pair of triangles and make the triangles to be similar. So which triangle we have to take? So first of all we have to take this triangle PAC, right? Triangle PAC, and we have to take the triangle DAB. Okay, so how we can say that these two triangles are similar? So here if you look that this angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. Okay, so if we add the both side angle 3, so angle 1 plus angle 3 is equals to angle 2 plus angle 3. So 1 plus 3 is this one, angle DAB, and angle 2 plus angle 3 is this one, right? And we know that both sides are means 1 and 2 are equal, so therefore it will become angle DAB and angle which one, 2 plus 3 is PAC, right? So one of these two angles are equal, right? Both angles are equal, and then after that what we can do, we can take this one, this angle 4 and angle 5, right? They are equal, angle 4 and angle 5. So this is angle 4 and this is angle 5, they are equal. So we can say that these two triangles are similar. These two triangles are similar, and when these two triangles are similar, so the sides are proportional. So we can write it like PC upon DB, right? PC upon DB, that is equals to AC upon AB. Okay, and consider this as equation 1, right? And then after that we have to take another pair of triangle, and in which we have to consider this side, right? CD side we have to consider. So for CD and is not CD, okay, we have to consider this one, PD. Okay, all right, so we can consider this one in triangle PAD, and we can take angle triangle CAB. Okay, so here also you can see that if you consider this angle, right, so let's suppose this angle as X, right? So this angle and the opposite pair are equal, right? Sorry, opposite angles, opposite interior angle, this angle is equal, right? Angle PDA, that is equals to angle CBA. Okay, they are going to be equal, and this angle 1 and 2 are equal, right? They are actually, we have constructed like this. So therefore we can say that the triangle PAD is similar to triangle CAB. Okay, and when these two triangles are similar, now you can see that we can take that PD upon PD upon BC, and that is equals to AD upon AB. So here you will get this PD length. So PD we will get AD into BC upon AB. Okay, so this is your second equation. All right, So let me write this first equation as PC is equals to AC into DB, that upon AB. Okay, that we have to consider as equation 1. Alright, so PC and PD we know. PC, PC and PD, right? We know. So PC we can write, right? PC we can write it as a sum of PD plus DC. PD plus DC. So from equation, by using these two equations 1 and 2, we can write, right, by using these two equations. So just write the values whatever we have written. So AC into DB upon AB, that is equals to AD into BC upon AB and plus DC. And if we solve, so you will get it AC into DB, that is the product of diagonal, and just multiply it throughout by AB, so you will get AD into BC plus AB into CD, right? So you can see that we can prove it by the similarity.